All right, so we're gonna try and go from a decimal value, in this case 1080. Uh, Curious to see if 1080, right, 1080p resolution, if that turns out to be anything significant in hex. And spoiler alert, it doesn't, but whatever. So whenever we're going from decimal to another base, we always just divide by that base. So in this case, our base is 16. And so 1080 divided by 16, that's probably not something you can do in your head super quickly. Um, so do it in a calculator or whatever. In this case, we get 67 with a remainder of 8. And then we take the 67 over. And we're going to take 67 divided by 16. And what do we end up with? Well, we end up with 4, remainder 3. And it's interesting, I'm looking at the work I did preparing for this problem, and I actually screwed something up, and I just caught it as I'm doing it. Always remember that you're taking this and dividing it next, not this, right? So in my work, I noticed that I took 3 over here, which is wrong. Our remainder never gets divided again. So that means we're going to take 4, divide that by 16, and that equals 0 with a remainder of 4. And remember, when we have the 0 here, that means we can stop. And so our final value here, right, this is our most significant, and this is our least significant. So our final value becomes 4, 3, 8 in hex. So look at, we took this big value, 1080, it's 3 digits in decimal, and we compacted it down, compacting really just in terms of the amount of digits it takes, but it's really still the same value.